Yo guys, what is up? I hope you guys are all doing well, enjoying life, and as always, smashing your projects. I hope you guys are smashing your projects. And in today's video, guys, we're gonna be doing a review of this. It is the Zhiyun. It's the Molus X100 Pocket COB light, 100 watt pocket COB light from Zhiyun. I know you guys thought it was a fan. Why is it called the pocket light? Literally fits in your pocket. Fits in your pocket. You guys, it's a 100 watt light and it fits in your pocket. I've been testing this light out now, guys, for I would say about a month now, and I am very impressed with it. Not just here in the house, but also I've taken it on a few shoots with me. Yo, where we at, Mila? Where we at? Yeah, we in the metro.
Yeah, I'm at the metro.
In Universidad. And I've taken it out to shoot portraits in low light conditions, and I've taken it out to shoot in the pitch black as well. So I'm going to be showing you guys some of that as well. First, let's go over what this is, who is it for, what can it do, how to power it up, and all of the above. The Molus X100 is a 100 watt COB light, which if you guys don't know, that is pretty powerful for this size especially. This is perfect to use in the studio, perfect to use outdoors. Who is this for? This is for photographers, videographers, creators looking to shoot content in the dark. Could be for your OnlyFans. This could be for anybody, guys, because of the size and how easy it is to take around with you. This is gonna save your life. I'm in love with this. It's gonna be part of my kit 100%. And this isn't just one color, it's bi-colored, which means that you can get that golden glow if you guys want to mimic the sun, and you can also have just a plain bright white light if you guys want to just light the subject as well.
We are the team. We love Brad. Muchas gracias, Brad.
Man, how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments. It's good to be back here, good to be talking to you guys. The other day when I was doing a photo shoot with a model, she actually thought that this was a fan. She was like, is that for our hair? All right, so first thing is first, let's talk about how we can power this baby up. There are a few options. First option, guys, if you're working in a studio, this is gonna be your most reliable option. This is the AC power adapter. So with this one here, you get like a solid power box. I've seen people complaining that it's big, but look, if you're working in a studio and it's gonna be plugged in, you don't need it, doesn't matter. You just put this in like that. And if anybody's confused right now, guys, where this other cord leads to, it just leads into the wall, like any other normal plug. I don't think I need to say that, but you'll be surprised, you'll be surprised. Guys, yeah, just plugs into the wall. This one here plugs into the fan, just getting into the light. Now that we are plugged in, we have this power button here, so you can just click power on. We have two buttons here, dim, which is going to control the light, and then on this side here, we have the Kelvin, which is going to control the color of the light, which is so good, super simple. You guys can see already, look at it, it's sick. After I show you guys the different power sources, I'm gonna show you what we can attach to this, because there are some different options, which is really cool. The second way that we can power this baby up, if we're not working in a studio, guys, and we're gonna be more run and gun style photographers, we're out on the street, or where else would we be? Something we can take with us. They have also created this little battery pack as well, which you can actually, when this is fully charged, you can actually charge other things too. It works as like a power bank as well. There's a piece on the side of the light where you can just attach it like this. And I actually really like this with the battery on, because you can use this as like a grip, which is really nice too. And just so you guys know as well, this one usually takes about 2 hours to fully charge. And I was at blinding you guys 8%. And if you guys have this on 100%, which bear in mind, I have this on 7% right now, it's gonna run out in about half an hour. So you need to get those shots quick, or you need to make sure that you're turning it off in between shoots. Next one, I'm gonna show you guys some of the accessories that this baby comes with. Number one, of course, it has these holes here, so you guys can put a little mini tripod baby in there if you need. So you can just hold it like so while you guys are out shooting. If you want to make it a bit more stable as well, because with this battery it's quite heavy, there's another one here. Where were you last night? Where were you? It does have this built-in fan, and that is in case it overheats, so it has its own cooling mechanism. The fan is very quiet. Fan has only come on when I've had it on for quite a long time with the AC adapter running for a long time, but it must be pretty quiet because I never even realized that it's actually on. Okay, so what else does it come with, guys? It comes with this right here. Look at this cute. This is such a little cutie. This one here is a mini reflector, which is so dope. I recommend using this one for cinematic style things. I wouldn't put that straight in the model's face. Otherwise, she's gonna get blind. She's probably gonna kill you. Well, no, if she can see, she won't be able to see. But this one here works really well when you have something backlit like this or to the side for backlit or cinematic shots, like I did in this photo shoot here. Oh my God, like we did in this photo shoot here. And I had the model lit from the side and also from the back as well to give it the cinematic look. We're gonna use the easel. We're not actually painting, we use this for a tripod. Like this, if you get something like that to the side, then you have this like cinematic light coming through. I really love this look because it's kind of like what the sun does when I take photos. Oh, sun. It's actually really hot. Very easy to take on and off. You just click this little button here and then mini reflector baby comes off. So we have the reflector for cinematic things. What about if we're in a studio or we're doing portraits and we just want to have that soft light in front of us? Never mind, don't stress, because we have a softbox. Yes, we have a softbox. Look at this little cutie. I love it. It's like kind of like a little, it's almost like a little photographer's toy. So you could give this to a photographer and be like, it's a little toy souvenir, you know, like a, you know how like little girls have doll houses, and we could get these instead. Same again, guys. This little cutie just slides on like this and then clicks in and boom, it's up. It also comes with this mesh here, which you guys can take off as well. I'm not sure if you guys know what this is used for or not, but if you guys are shooting portraits, so you're working with a model, then this light here is going to be more focused. So it's going to stop most of that light from spilling to the side, give you more of a direct light. Boom, we have a softbox. Check this out. And that is on 72%, 5% so I don't blind you guys. But check it out, guys. That's so cool, right? Let's bring out our easel again. So I'm going to show you guys with light or without light. On here with light. And let's do without. Okay, so you guys can see what's going on here. It makes such a difference having this. No light, light, no light, light. This is the best review ever.
Exactly.
If you guys don't actually want this, then you can take this off as well. Now I'm going to show you guys another one that it comes with. It comes with this here, which is a Bowens mount adapter, which if you are somebody that works in a studio, then this is going to be what you guys are going to be looking for as well. Because this one here allows you to attach this light to bigger soft boxes here, which is going to be ideal if you guys are working in a studio and you already have your own soft boxes. So now guys, if you have your light stand, then you can connect this like that, brightening up the room. So boom, you have a mount adapter. But you guys, even with all of the things I just showed you, that is not actually the real reason why you need or why you're gonna wanna buy this. I'm gonna show you guys the real reason that you're gonna wanna buy this. This one, vas a flipar. You're gonna freak out. When you guys hold down Calvin, you guys can see here, it says music. And while I'm talking, you guys can also see that it's flashing. So look, if you wanna make a mini rave and you're like, so it just goes to the beat. How dope is that? That's sick. Like, I would get this if it just had that mode. Okay, but there you go, guys. That is the review for the Molus X100 COB 100 watt pocket light in your pocket. This is gonna be great for you guys. Like I said, you can take this out. I took this out on photo shoots. We need some glasses with this. It's bright. We're actually filming a reel, which the video will probably be done already. No, it won't be. So make sure you check us out on Instagram. I'll leave the details below so you guys can check these out. Amazing, looking straight down here. Stay there. Okay guys, with no light. She was a stranger a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah, now we're friends.
Straight away, first date. But so
Hi guys.
let's pump it up. This again. Sit. And then down like this and maybe something like this.
This light is super good. I love this
real,
one.
no?
This one.
Looks very cinematic. Oh, one problem, guys. Oh no, we're good. Boom! She knows the slang, she knows the slang. I've taken this out on night shoots with me like this to light up the models' faces.
Or comment like, what are you doing during watching? Like, what food are you eating? What are you drinking? Yeah. You know?
What's going on? What's going on?
What's going on?
I have taken pictures at nighttime with this. Okay, well, Who's Your Brad family, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful because I'm a fan of this and I think you guys are going to be as well. So guys, I will leave all of the links in the description as well if you guys wanted to purchase this, or if you just wanted to see more specs, you wanted to check it out. As always, links to presets, equipment, gear, everything I use is going to be in the description as well. See you guys on the next video. Stay happy, stay healthy, go out there, do something you enjoy, you love doing, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing and join the family because I'm here weekly, and yeah, let's just have a good time.
Hope you like this video, you guys. Bye. Peace. Gling gling. Gling gling. Don't forget.
I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
The train, there was some people saying hello.
Oh, yeah.
Like, about to, like,
We're gonna be serious.